Guys, how are you? Today I have brought a new video regarding tips to remember accounting principles. Guys, total accounting principles are 11. So it may create a confusion between a student who is learning initially the principles of accounting. So I have brought my my own video regarding how to learn the accounting principles. Guys, in the previous video we have learned how to remember what are the tricks to remember the Henry Fayol's principle of management. So guys, if you have not watched my previous video, please do watch it so that you can also learn from it. So friends, in today's video, let's start. What are the techniques? I will tell you it is based on a situation. Friends, you are seeing SRCC, DAM, MMV, and bracket there is F. So friends, SRCC, you know it is a college. ये एक कॉलेज है. एंड डैम इज़ डैम क्या होता है? एक रिजर्वायर होता है जिसमें वाटर स्टोर होता है. डैम एंड एम एम वी इज़ ऑल्सो ए कॉलेज लाइक SRCC. Sri Ram College of Commerce, which is situated in Delhi and is affiliated with Delhi University. And MMV, Mahila Mahavidyalaya, which is a affiliated college of Banaras Hindu University. It is situated in Banaras, Varanasi. And this F is nothing but this F is denoting faculty. Faculty is their main campus. So ऑल्दो MMV जो है वो एक एफिलिएटेड कॉलेज है, बट इन द फैकल्टी BHU के फैकल्टी के इनसाइड ही ये एग्जिस्ट करता है. सो डैट इज़ वाई ये अलग से नहीं है. इसको मैंने 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड किया है, आपको ईज़िली समझ में आ जाए. सो ये 3 पार्ट है, ये चौथा पार्ट नहीं है, ये इसी का पार्ट है. ये डिनोट कर रहा है कि डेट इज़ अ फैकल्टी एंड इट इज़ MMV is situated inside the faculty. So guys, what is the technique? SRCC, when we go from SRCC to MMV, there exists a dam in between them. एक डैम आता है इन दोनों के बीच में. सिंस ये दिल्ली में है और ये वाराणसी में है, सो when we move from SRCC to MMV, there exists a dam and MMV is situated in faculty itself. MMV जो है वो faculty के ही अंदर है, located है. So guys, ये एक टेक्निक है. You can remember, you can easily state the principle. If anybody will ask you, you tell that when we move from SRCC to MMV, there exists a dam and MMV is situated in faculty itself. वो faculty के अंदर ही है. Although बाकी सारे जितने BHU के affiliated colleges हैं वो सब 60-70 किलोमीटर्स के दूरी पे हैं, डिस्टेंस पे है. But MMV is itself very near, very close to the BHU. Even it is inside the BHU. So that is why this is F is denoting faculty. So when we move from SRCC to MMV, there exists a dam and MMV is situated in faculty. So SRCC, dam, MMV, F. So ये incident, this story you have to remember. It is a story, or we can say it is a situation created by the students. So SRCC, in between SRCC and MMV, there exists a dam and that MMV is located in faculty itself. Now let us one by one state the principle. What are the accounting principle denoting this? SRCC, so S is denoting separate entity concept. This concept is based on that business having the separate legal identity, legal entity from the owner and business are treated separately. Then next one is R. R is denoting revenue recognition concept. Revenue recognition concept, in which we have to recognize, we have to record the sales proceeds. Then C. C is denoting cost concept, cost principle, cost concept. Another C is denoting conservatism principle. Conservatism principle, although it is also known as prudence principle, but for to make you easy understood, to make you learn the principles, I have here written conservatism principle. Then next one is DAM. So D denotes duality principle. You know, accounting principle is based on duality principle, means assets is equal to liability plus capital. That accounting equation also is there. So it is based on dual entry system, debit is equal to credit. Then A denotes accounting principle, accounting periodicity principles, also it is known as periodicity principle. So accounting principle. M denotes money measurement principle, money measurement principle. Another M denotes matching concept. Then this third M denotes materiality principle. V denotes verifiable objective concept, which is based on the preparation of vouchers so as to act as the evidence, documentary evidence at the time of auditing process and all. F, this is the faculty. जैसा कि हम जान रहे थे कि ये फैकल्टी है, फैकल्टी में लोकेटेड है एमएमवी. सो दिस फैकल्टी, व्हाट इज़ full disclosure principle. This is full disclosure principle. So this is the tricks to remember. It's my own trick, although you might have seen many videos uploaded there, but this is my one of the video. SRCC, in between SRCC and MMV there exists a dam, and MMV is located in faculty. So you are seeing this. So guys, how is the video? If you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to share and comment, and also please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel if you are a new. एंड प्लीज़ गाइस, आप हेनरी फ्योल्स के प्रिंसिपल ऑफ मैनेजमेंट को भी एक बार जाके रेफ़र कर लीजिए. डैट इज़ ऑल्सो बेस्ड ऑन सम निमोनिक्स टाइप. सो प्लीज़ गाइस, do like, do subscribe my channel, and at last I want to say, be safe, be healthy. Thank you friends. Bye.